In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for January 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. Our next product is the luxury cat bed. Indulge your feline friend in luxury with our exquisite luxury cat bed. Crafted from premium materials like soft velvet, plush faux fur, and durable wood, it guarantees unparalleled comfort and style. Suitable for cats of all breeds, its versatile design complements any home decor. The removable, washable cover ensures easy maintenance, making it a perfect space for relaxation, play, and pampering. Target your Facebook ads towards devoted cat owners who prioritize their pet's well-being and seek premium products for an indulgent feline experience. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 57,000 likes, 2,700 comments, 4,200 shares. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for luxury cat bed, it is just under $40.89, whereas the product cost is only $23.54. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the cat tunnel bed. Introduce your cat to the ultimate comfort and entertainment with our unique cat tunnel bed. This innovative product serves as both a cozy bed and an interactive tunnel, providing dual functionality for your feline friend. Target cat lovers on Facebook who prioritize their pet's well-being and happiness, focusing on demographics such as pet owners, cat enthusiasts, and those with a history of online pet product purchases. Utilize engaging visuals and heartwarming content to emotionally connect with your audience and highlight the product's versatility. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 23,000 likes, 3,400 comments, 3,500 shares. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for cat tunnel bed, it is just under $1.69, whereas the product cost is only $8.78. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the kitchen knife for kids. Introduce your aspiring chefs to the culinary world with our innovative kitchen knife for kids. Designed with safety and learning in mind, it boasts a blunt tip and a comfortable grip. Target parents on Facebook who prioritize fostering creativity and teaching essential kitchen skills to their children. Emphasize the durable, child-friendly materials, ensuring safe slicing and dicing. Encourage parents to equip their little ones with the right tools, fostering a lifelong love of cooking in a secure and enjoyable environment. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1,100 likes, 1,100 comments, 173 shares. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for kitchen knife for kids, it is just under $31.95, whereas the product cost is only $12.74. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Silicone Draining Mat. Revolutionize your kitchen with our Silicone Draining Mat. Bid farewell to messy countertops. Tailored for busy homemakers, cooking enthusiasts, and anyone valuing a tidy kitchen, our Facebook ads target those in search of a hassle-free solution. Emphasize the mat's durability, flexibility, and easy cleaning features. Showcase benefits for organized kitchens, highlighting the non-slip surface and space-saving design. Appeal to diverse tastes by offering various color and size options. This product is a must-have for those who crave efficiency and a clutter-free cooking space. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 35,000 likes, 5,600 comments, 5,100 shares. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Silicone Draining Mat, it is just under $13.99, whereas the product cost is only $1.35. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the personalized wooden book rest. Elevate gifting with our personalized wooden book rests, a unique and thoughtful expression of love. Ideal for book lovers, students, or anyone who relishes reading, these handcrafted rests bring elegance to any space. Target the Facebook ad towards those seeking personalized gifts, book enthusiasts, and individuals interested in distinctive home decor. Connect with those who appreciate the blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, making these wooden book rests the perfect choice for adding a touch of sophistication to their reading experience. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 27,000 likes, 3,300 comments, 4,800 shares. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for personalized wooden book rest, it is just under $37.95, whereas the product cost is only $2.58. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.